যা যেখানে যা করবে। Hello, good afternoon, students. I hope you are all right at home and perhaps following your syllabus. My syllabus is going to be finished now, just 1.5 part of 2 chapters are remained. I will complete it within a few days. These chapters are not so big and these chapters are easy. After revenue, I am discussing revenue chapter. After this chapter, we will proceed to market. That is the final chapter of class 11 chapter syllabus as per economic syllabus. I hope you are all right. If you have any problem on any chapter of microeconomics, you please ask me in any way. I will try my best to give you answer and satisfy. So today I am starting chalk and chalk. Chalks are here. So I don't know who are present. Start your screen. One student is present, no other. Why? It is very interesting chapter. Student, please try to join. The revenue. I am continuing revenue, chapter revenue. Perhaps revenue. I have already discussed this chapter yesterday. Today I will start revenue. So today I will start revenue. Yesterday is a class 12 class actually. Revenue, what is revenue? Revenue, what is revenue? Perhaps you know that by selling the quantities of the commodity or the output, by selling the outputs, what the sellers or producer get in lieu of that in terms of money is called revenue. Revenue is the money receipt of the seller by selling goods and services. Revenue also earned by the government by selling or by giving the opportunity of use to the people. That is also revenue. Tax is also a revenue. So you know that revenue is mostly discussed in the form of selling output. So quantity, Q, quantity of goods sold, quantity of goods sold, and price into price per unit. If you multiply Q by P, then you will get revenue. This is revenue, Q by P, right? So this Q by P is termed as TR, that is total revenue. Am I clear? It means total revenue. The revenue total revenue earned by selling commodities in the market. What the producer get, it is called total revenue. Suppose you sell shirts, jeans shirts. The price of each shirt is rupees 100 per shirt, and you sold 20 shirts. So 20 into 100 is equal to 2000. rupees 2000 এটা যদি rupees হয় rupees then it is TR. Am I clear? Now TR is clear, I think. Quantity into price is called total revenue TR, and TR by Q, that is Q 20, TR 100, no, TR 2000, total revenue 2000, and quantity 20. Then AR is equal to কত 100, right? So AR is equal to this is equal to AR, average revenue. Average revenue is the per unit of revenue earned by the seller or producer. Per unit of revenue earned by the seller. এক ইউনিট কমোডিটিতে যতটা রেভিনিউ আর্ন করা যায় দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড AR. সো ফর্মুলা ইজ TR by Q. TR by Q. Load shedding. Please wait. So TR by Q. Have you any question up to this? Where are the students? Only one or two students are there. No, sir, clear. Thank you. Your name, please? Got it. কি হলো, কারেন্ট চলে গেল। Are you hearing me? Yes or no? Are you hearing me, please? Answer. Yes, sir. Very good. Then I may proceed. Here current is not here. Current is off. So AR is there. So TR Q into P, AR TR by Q. Then MR marginal revenue. Marginal revenue. Additional revenue earned by selling an additional unit of a commodity. Additional revenue earned. তুমি অতিরিক্ত যে রেভিনিউটা আর্ন করছো বাই সেলিং অ্যান অ্যাডিশনাল ইউনিট অফ এ কমোডিটি, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড মার্জিনাল রেভিনিউ। সাপোজ তুমি 100 ইউনিট একটা কমোডিটি বিক্রি করে পেয়েছিলে 200 রুপিস, আর অ্যাডিশনাল ওয়ান মানে 101 ইউনিট বিক্রি করে পেলে 215। Then this minus this is equal to 15. MR is 15. MR is 15. Additional unit 1 is a additional unit. Instead of 100, you are selling 101. That is one is the additional unit. By selling this additional unit, you just got rupees 15 extra additional. That additional rupees additional 15 rupees is received by selling an additional unit of a commodity. অর্থাৎ একটা অতিরিক্ত ইউনিট কমোডিটি সেল করে যেটুকু বেশি পাওয়া যায় দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড MR. That is called MR. It should be clear. So it may be calculated in this also. TRN minus TRN minus 1. TRN minus TRN minus 1, অর্থাৎ TRN যদি 100 হয় তাহলে TRN minus 1 হচ্ছে 99, একটা ইউনিট পেয়ে গেলে যেটুকু ডিফারেন্স হবে রেভিনিউতে, দ্যাট ডিফারেন্স ইজ দ্য মার্জিনাল রেভিনিউ। So, TR, AR and MR, total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. These three terms are clear, I think. That is 1, AR is 2, it is 2 and MR is 3. These three concepts are clear. Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Please write. No, sir. Thank you. So, I am removing this. Now, I will start to show that what will be the shape of TR curve, that is total revenue curve, and why. Suppose this is a diagram to explain TR curve. Output or quantity, output of quantity as measured on the horizontal axis, and revenue is measured on the vertical axis. Now, the total revenue curve is like this. Total revenue curve is like this. Why? What is the reason of the shape of this TR curve? Why it is a straight line? Why it is a straight line dividing the 90 degree into two parts, that is 45 degree and 45 degree. Can you explain? Suppose this is L and this is S. So, in order to produce OL amount of output, by selling OL amount of output, you are getting OS of amount of revenue. OS, and again if it is such OL1 and S1, then it is increasing. But OL, suppose OL and OS must be, the increase is same. This increase and this increase is same. That is at a constant rate. When the TR curve taking such shape indicates that TR is increasing continuously at a constant rate if the quantity of commodity increases but sell at such amount. That is, this area is one and this area is another. It indicates the same ratio, and in order to indicate this line, this point and this point indicate the same ratio of increase when P is constant, price is constant, price is constant. When price is constant, the shape of the TR curve will like this. And you know that AR is equal to average revenue is equal to price. Average revenue is equal to price. Why? Suppose the price of a commodity is rupees 20 per unit. For example, the price of orange is rupees 10. If you purchase 5 oranges, then 5 into 10, 50, rupees 50. If you purchase 6, then it is 60. Then if you divide 50 by 10, you will get again 5. That is average revenue. Average revenue is 5. Here 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. That is average revenue. So, average revenue and price are equal. Average revenue and price is equal because additional sale of one commodity, you get the price of 1 unit of the price, and it must be equal to AR. It must be equal to AR, average revenue. So price and average revenue is equal. So this is price, this is 45-degree, indicating that AR and P is equal to each other. Now I am removing it. Now the second one is that this is second one. এটা হচ্ছে আউটপুট। So this is MR curve and AR curve. Why it is so? Why it is so? Assume P is constant. P is constant, price is constant বলেছে, and if price is constant, P must be equal to AR. হবে তো? Will it be? P is equal to AR? It must be. Why? Yes sir, P must be equal to AR. মানে কি, ধরো তুমি 5টা কমলা লেবু কিনেছো 50 রুপিস দিয়ে, এভারেজ কস্ট কত, আর তুমি যদি বিক্রি করো, সাপোজ বিক্রি করেছো 5টা কমলা লেবু বিক্রি করেছো 50 রুপিস, তো এভারেজ প্রাইস 50/5 10. Now if you sell 6 oranges, then you will get 60 rupees. Average 60/6 is 10, price is 10, so price must be equal to AR. Marginal আগে পেয়েছিলে তুমি 50, এখন রুপিস পেয়েছো 60, so 60 minus 50 is equal to 10. This is MR. So P is equal to AR is equal to MR. Am I clear? P is equal to AR is equal to MR when P is constant. If P is not constant, if P is not 10, then the theory will not hold good. So if P is constant, then P is equal to AR is equal to MR, and it is the proof of it. And as the MR is equal to AR is equal to P, so this line indicates such and such, always equal, that is P, suppose it is S, so it is P, and that is AR, and additional here to here, here to here, here to here, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Therefore, this is the MR is equal to AR curve, and we may say is equal to P, here is equal to P. So this is the relation if P is constant and if P is not constant. May I remove it, madam? May I remove it? Is there any problem? Yes sir. I am missing all of you. Teaching in front of the student is more enjoyable. It is more enjoyable. I am missing you. I could ask question to you. You may answer or not. I can discuss what would be the answer, and you could realize more. So I am missing you practically. Next part. Now, I told that P is constant. I told before that P is constant. So, P is constant. So, P is equal to AR is equal to MR. Now, if P is not constant, if P, price, is not constant, what will happen? It not constant. This is the case number 2. If P is not constant. In monopoly and monopolistic competition, in monopoly and monopolistic competitive market, monopoly and monopolistic competitive market, what will happen if P is not constant? First, you have to know what is monopoly. Can anybody say what is monopoly? Yes or no? Tell me. You may not answer because it is a new chapter for you. Please tell. Yes or no? Define monopoly. No, sir, thank you. Monopoly. The business which is done by a particular person or particular company and the commodity has no close substitute goods is called monopoly. Monopoly মানে একটাই কোম্পানি যে কমোডিটিটা তৈরি করে বিক্রি করে তার কোনো কাছাকাছি সাবস্টিটিউট গুডস নেই, একমাত্র সাপ্লায়ার হচ্ছে সে। This business is called monopoly market. This market is called monopoly market. Monopoly means mono means one. One means here producer or seller. One producer only produces a particular commodity and that commodity has no close substitute one and does the business with that commodity is called monopoly business, or this market is called monopoly market. Some medicine company enjoys this facility. He is only the producer of a particular medicine which is applicable for a particular disease, and no other medicines are available instead of it which can perform the same work. That is called monopoly. Mono মানে এক, উদ্দেশ্য একজনই যখন একটা পার্টিকুলার কমোডিটি মার্কেটে প্রডিউস করে বিক্রি করে আর তার কোনো কম্পিটিটর না থাকে এবং হচ্ছে যে বায়ারদের যদি ওই কমোডিটিটা দরকার হয় ওই তার কাছেই বা ওই কমোডিটিটি ওই কোম্পানির কমোডিটিটিই কিনতে হবে, অন্য কোনো সাবস্টিটিউট পাওয়া যাবে না, তখন সেই কমোডিটিটাকে বলা হয় মনোপলি। কমোডিটি আর বিজনেসটা বলে মনোপলি মার্কেট। সো মনোপলি, মনো এক, পলি তার ইচ্ছা। তাহলে যখন when a particular producer produce a particular commodity and sell in the market and that commodity has no close substitute in the market, he decides the price by himself. He decides বা fixes. He fixes the price by himself, not by anybody else. Generally, we know that under perfect competition, prices of commodities are determined by the market forces. Price of a commodity is determined by the market forces. Market forces means demand and supply. If the demand of a particular commodity is very high, then the price will increase, rise. Price will be higher and higher. And if the demand is low in comparison to supply, then the price will decline. অর্থাৎ যদি কোনো কমোডিটির ডিমান্ড বেশি হয়, সাপ্লাই কম থাকে in respect of demand, then the price will be higher. For simple example I am giving you. A Saraswati Puja coming. Now if you want to purchase just flower for worship, now the price of the flower you just mention and write it, and on the very day of Saraswati Puja, if you go to purchase flowers for this purpose, then you will see the prices is too much high. পুজোর সময়, সরস্বতী পুজোর দিনে যদি তুমি ফুল কিনতে যাও, দেখবে যে ফুলটা আজকে 10 টাকায় পাচ্ছ সেটা সেদিন 20 টাকা 25 টাকাতে কিনতে হচ্ছে। কেন? সেদিন ডিমান্ডটা বেশি, সাপ্লাই কম ডিমান্ডের তুলনায়। আজকে হচ্ছে ডিমান্ড সাপ্লাইয়ের একটা ইন্টারাকশন আছে, যেমন সাপ্লাই তেমনি ডিমান্ড যদি হয় তাহলে প্রাইসটা ইন্টারাকশনে ঠিক হবে। সুতরাং যদি প্রাইস ইজ ডিটারমাইন্ড বাই দ্য market forces. Now, in a monopoly market, monopolistic or monopoly market, the producer is the sole seller, supplier of that particular commodity in the market. Sole supplier, একমাত্র সাপ্লাই করতে পারে। None other than he can supply that commodity. It happened in case of medicine, some medicine, লাইফ সেভিং মেডিসিন, একটা কোম্পানি ওই মেডিসিনটা তৈরি করে। সো সাপ্লাই ইজ কন্ট্রোলড বাই দ্যাট পার্টিকুলার কমোডিটি, নো ওয়ে টু ইনফ্লুয়েন্স দি সাপ্লাই অফ বাই আদার। অন্য কেউ এটাকে সাপ্লাইটাকে ডিস্টার্ব করতে পারে না, ইনক্রিজ করতে পারে না, ডিক্রিজ করতে পারে না। দেয়ারফোর দ্য প্রাইস ফিক্সড বাই দি সাপ্লায়ার ইজ ফাইনাল। সো monopolist decides the price of the commodity and it becomes very higher. So if P is not constant, then prices are not decided by the market forces. And now in monopolistic, I am just giving you explanation what is monopolistic. Monopoly and monopolistic. মনোপলির মতো কিন্তু একেবারে মনোপলি নেই, আরও 2-4 জনের কাছে সেম কোয়ালিটির কমোডিটি আছে। যেমন ধরো মারুতি কোম্পানি একটা গাড়ি বিক্রি করে, মারুতি কোম্পানির মতো অন্য গাড়ি আর মানে আর কোনো গাড়ি নেই, কিন্তু অন্য অন্য আরও কোম্পানির গাড়ি আছে, তারাও বিক্রি করছে। তার মানে একই পারপাসে একই জিনিস তারা বিক্রি করছে, কিন্তু দেয়ার ইজ সামথিং ডিফারেন্স। সব কারগুলো নট, মানে অল কার্স আর নট ইকুয়াল টু ইচ আদার, একেবারে সমান সমান এরকম নয়। দেখবে you will find that some cars are of well service is better, some cars longevity is better, some cars engine is very strong. So there is some differences. Body is strong, body is weak, color is very bright, lovely. All these attract the buyers. So there are different companies but limited companies. There are only 5, 6 or 8 companies who compete with each other. So regarding the fixing of price, so they have no liberty to fix the price without considering the price of the other cars. যদি একটা গাড়ির কোম্পানি বেশি দাম করে, তুমি তখন কি করবে? যদি দেখো যে তার থেকে অনেক কমে অন্য গাড়ি পাচ্ছে, কিনে নেবে। সুতরাং সবগুলো দেখে শুনে বা সেলাররা বা কোম্পানি একটা দাম ঠিক করে নেয়। তাহলে এরা নিজেরা পুরোটা করতে পারে না, কিন্তু কিছুটা করে। এবং দেয়ার ইজ এ কন্ট্যাক্ট এমাং দি সেলার্স কোম্পানিজ দ্যাট প্রাইস মাস্ট নট বি লোয়ার অফ দ্যাট লোয়ার লেভেল। একটা ফিক্সড করে দেয় যে 5 লাখের নিচে ওই গাড়ি কোনো গাড়ি কোম্পানি বিক্রি হবে না। Therefore, there is a competition among the car sellers, but this competition is not like the perfect competition. The competition is among a few sellers. Therefore, this is called monopolistic competition. Then price is determined by understanding among the sellers of the commodity. বোঝা গেল? So if A are not constant, then relationship between TR, AR and MR, what will be the relationship? Suppose in case of AR, it declines. AR, in case of AR declining, if AR declines, MR also decline. MR will also decline. Will decline also. Then it induce price also decline. Also price should decline. I am giving you a chart, a table from which you can understand this easily. Output. Hey Baba. This time is over. Next day I will discuss it. Next day I will discuss it because it is 3:05, 3:10 and I have another class. I have to take it. So thank you very much. Thank you who are present. I think you are following my suggestion and doing best at home. Thank you. কোনটা বলো তো আমাকে দেখেই পাবে এখানে লাল আছে কোথাও নেই না না এই স্যার এই যে মাউসটা এই ও আচ্ছা সেইটাই নেই হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা বুঝে গেছি নো প্রবলেম আবার এখানে জয়েন করে
রেকর্ডিং হবে